are all graduates of Holy Cross of Bansalan College. Kinsa ang founder sa RVM community? Kinsa ang founder sa RVM community? Come on guys, ako na lang mo dool, Ma'am Mary Ann. Isa may una ninyang duha. Ma'am Mary Ann. Sige, Ma'am Mary Ann sa ma'am. Naglagot ka, ma'am. Hi, Ma'am Mary Ann. Kinsa ang founder sa RVM community?
Mother Ignacia.
Mother Ignacia is wrong. Kulang. Nay-apelido si Mother Ignacia. Mutahod po tao eh. Sige, tagag chance. Ang uban. Kinsa ang founder sa RVM community, sir?
Mother Ignacia del Espiritu Santo.
Santo? Wala RVM mo eh. Mother Ignacia del Espiritu Santo is correct! Please claim your prize. Ito, sir. Sir, narito yung prize, sir. Nahubog naman ka, sir. Or sa'yo pa kaayo. Alright, next question. You graduated year 84. Katong panahon na, kinsa ang parish priest din sa Bansalan? Who was the parish priest in 1984 din his Bansalan? Pwede mo pataas ang kamot, ako na lang mo dool. Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. What is your name? Zenaida, you are from Turquoise nga section. Kinsa ang pare anang panahon na?
Father Turaha.
Father?
Turaha.
Mali. Dili. Okay, yes sir.
Father Rondo.
Yes sir, what is it? Kapag nag-abri ang tipsy bar, sir, matag nahubog na ka. Okay, kinsa to sir?
Si Father Rondo.
Father Rondo is somehow correct pero kulang. Kinahanglan na magkumpleto nga pangalan. Rondo is the last name. What is the first name of Father? Our Reverend Father. Yes, Sir Mio. Si Sir Mio. Bantog na kadaog ka gana Zumba, no? Kay kusgan ka marag motor ba? Mio. Kadaog ka Zumba ganihan. Kinsa ang pare atong panahon na, sir? 1984.
Father Rondo Piche.
Rondo, mali, dili. Apelyido niya ang Rondo. Letter A, nag-start ang first name. Nag-start yung first name og letter A. Who can guess the answer? Sir Craste.
Andre Rondo.
Father Andre Rondo is correct! Congratulations! Sayaw, sir, sayaw! Hey, sayaw gamay! Ana, sige, sayaw! Sige, isa pa! Yeah, kana, pantinay lang, sir. Okay, another question. During your years sa Holy Cross of Bansalan College, kinsa ang inyong school registrar? Kinsa ang iyong school registrar? Sige. Si Sir Boards. Kisa may mauna ninyo, sir. Kisay gahi ninyong duha. Kisay gahi ninyong duha. Kaya ito patubagon. Sige. Sir Boards una.
Susi mo mangkikis.
Isa to, sir?
Susi mo mangkikis.
Sige, tama to, sir. Tama. You are correct. Dulcissimo Mangkikis. Please claim your prize. Okay, another question. What does RVM mean? RVM mean? Si Ma'am Mercy.
Religious of Virgin Mary.
Religious of Virgin Mary. Sige, pwede na. You are correct, Ma'am Mercy. Religious of the Virgin Mary. Next question. During your batch, who was your geometry teacher? Geometry teacher. Mailan ra gyud ato kisay hawd og geometry dili og kanang nakahinumdum sa maestra. Sige sir. Nakatama na makaganihan sir. Pila na may suhol ni mo tong adlaw oy. Si Sir Dodong. Sayuhan na hubog sa San Mig sir oy.
Erlinda Bais.
Isa to?
Miss Erlinda Bais.
You are wrong. Dili. Mura dyan mo nibalik pagka high school. No? Ano yung kayo? Sige si Sir Erwin.
Stanislaw Naya.
Mr. Stanislaw Naya is correct! Sayaw, sir! Hey! Sayaw! Sayaw! Okay. Next question. During your high school years, who was the directress principal in 1984? Directress principal. Sige, sila daw na, ma'am. Sa sarili ko, kamusagot ni kakadaog.
Sister Fee Herodias RVM.
You are mali. Dili.
Sister Lita Padernal. Sister
Complete name.
Sister Lita Padernal. Sister Lita Padernal.
Sige, Tita Gingging.
Sister Maria Estelita Padernal. RVM.
Okay, you are correct. Ate Gingging, please claim your prize. Next question. Who is your battalion commander? Who is your battalion commander? Sige, kay Kuya Boboy na pod ta. Sir Boboy na pod. Ganihan rin nagpanikad, sir.
Carlo Barrios.
Carlo Barrios. Kulang. Tagay sa daan, sir. Tagay sa daan. Paim na sa sir. Paim na sa sir. Paim na. Inom sa sir para ganahan mo tubag. Isa ka shot. Unya, balik og tubag. Ana. Kinsa, sir.
Carlo Barrios.
Mas matarong og sulti kung mo shot ta tarong og sulti. You are correct. Congratulations. Sayo, sir. Ala. Napay, Okay. Next question. Muni pinakalami nga tambayan sa eskwelahan. The school library. Kinsa ang inyong librarian atong panahon na? During your high school days and years, who is your school librarian? Sir Bert.
Si Ma'am Gloria Kilalan.
Okay, Ma'am Gloria Kilalan is correct. Para makuha nimo ang premyo, sir, i-spelling nimo iyang pangalan. Para makuha nimo ang prize, i-spelling. Binuang na bitaw, sir. Okay, napay ha. Another question. Next question. Muni ang pinakadili na tuuganahan nga opisina sa eskwelahan. Ang taga-POD, Prefect of Discipline. Kinsa ang inyong Dean of Discipline during your high school years? Sige, dito na punta kay ma'am. Who is your Dean of Discipline?
Sosimo Hontilia.
Susimo Hontilia is? Is? Correct. Tama ka, ma'am. Congratulations. All right. We still have two questions left. Who was your Science 4 and Math teacher? Science. Dikit ka mo undang, sir, kung dili makapremyo og balik 5 mil rong gabi yun. Kinsa, sir? Kinsa, sir? Science 4 and Math teacher.
Sir Naya.
Kinsa, sir? Mali, dili.
Si Ma'am.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mali, uli. Science 4 and Math teacher.
Ma'am Bujungan. Ma'am Erlinda Bujungan.
Ma'am Florencia Bujungan.
Lalaki.
Sir Romulo Noyad.
Dili. He was also the Pyrite advisor. Science 4 and Math teacher. Ma'am Lumen.
Si Ma'am Florencia
Lalaki.
Lao Naya.
Dili. Nag-start og letter L ang iyang first name. Ang samang yun. Abi na og si Elias. Uy! May nakapurong. Ala, Sayaw sa daan. Sayaw. Ana.
Mr. Loreto E. Guleng.
Correct, Lorito E. Guleng. Imong premyo, sir. Kuha, sir. Okay, last question. Who was your Math 1, Math 4, and Cat 1 instructor? He was also the Zircon advisor. Who want to answer? Let's give chance to others. Sige. Si Ate Lynette, kay classmate mi siyang anak. Kumusta na si Janelle, Teog Janet?
Sir Romulo Noya.
Minyo na sila, no? Kita ani bayot gihapon. Okay. Kinsa ang Zircon advisor as well as Math 1 and Math 4 instructor?
Si Sir Romulo Noyan.
Romulo Nuyad is correct! Sayaw na, Ate Lynette. Sayaw. Ana. All right, ladies and gentlemen, while we are still waiting for the result of our dance competition,